Hey guys, so today I'm installing a light bar on the front of my Am Outlander. It's a 2013 Max 650 XT. So it's a 12-inch light bar ordered on Amazon's Nightlight brand. I've had good success with these in the past. As you can see, the mounting brackets connect to the bottom, they're not on the sides. They're actually pretty good because they come with these brackets. So once you mount it to your bumper here, you can still adjust it up and down, which is what you want to get your beam perfect. So all I've done, drilled a couple of 5/16 holes in the front. You can see this is how your brackets will go. There's more bolts that'll bolt the light bar to these brackets, but this is by far the easiest way I've found to do it, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get it on. So here is the bar mounted, not that difficult. You can see here, drill 2 holes. You want a good drill bit. It's pretty decent hardness steel. Stainless steel hardware, because otherwise it's just gonna rust. Come over to this side, you can see the bracket. There's 4 bolts goes into each bracket, so you can adjust the angle. So I have it adjusted pretty well straight ahead with a very slight angle downwards. You want to leave these loose until you get your brackets bolted down to the bumper, get your angle right, and then tighten them down. And I'm just going to feed the wiring in through the grill here, and the bar comes with its own wiring harness and switch. So it's a pretty simple kit. Alright, so this is how I ran my wires. I'd recommend putting them on the right hand side. It's away from the exhaust. That's where it seems like most of the wires on the bike are ran. I tried the left hand side first, but there was a lot of hot surfaces, and then I tried to bundle up and put it here on top of the frame and battery, but the seat wouldn't go down. So you can see I mounted my switch right here. It's 3/4 inch drill bit, drilled it out. You can see there's a little template on the underside of where switches normally go. You can see the wire from the switch comes down here. Bundle up all the wires. You can see the relay and direct onto the battery. So there's no tying into the factory wiring, none of that stuff. It's all 100% removable, and there we go. It's just a matter of putting everything back together. And here you can see the finished product. It's mounted nice and high on the rack. Get good sight lines. It's just the light bar. That's the headlights. That's high beam. And that's all 3. So you can see the big difference. And here's the switch. It's illuminated when it's on, and it's off when it's not.